My name is Andrew Candles, and I'm a software engineer here at CaringBridge. CaringBridge is a nonprofit organization that allows individuals undergoing major health events to communicate with their family and friends, making each health journey easier. Since 1997, when the first CaringBridge website was built, we've had over 250,000 CaringBridge websites created, connecting over 13 million family and friends in over 225 countries and territories around the world.
Our sites and communities at CaringBridge have been growing so fast that our data infrastructure could no longer keep up with the reporting demands that our business operations were putting on it. When we started looking for a column-oriented database, there was a few requirements that were absolute necessities for us. One of our first requirements was that it had to both scale horizontally and vertically. It had to be able to handle anything that we wanted to throw at it. This meant we needed to add multiple machines into a cluster, as well as leverage machines leveraging multiple processors. We wanted it to be able to handle all of it, use everything in that machine that it has. Secondarily, we wanted to have something that leveraged our existing infrastructure. Our existing infrastructure being based mostly off of MySQL, we wanted to leverage almost the exact same protocol so it would lower the barrier of entry. Third, we really wanted something that had a community edition, something that we could both try, leverage in the future, as well as being able to go to an enterprise edition that had multiple features and all the support that we needed. We then had to go out and research for a new vendor that could supply a column-oriented database rather than a row-oriented database. This allowed us to use more economies of scale in order to meet the growing demands of our business owners. Based on our requirements and taking a deep dive into the technology, it became clear to us that Calpont InfiniDB exceeded our needs.
When we first selected Calpont's InfiniDB, one of our requirements was that it scales both vertically and horizontally. Now with over 100 million rows, what surprises me is that multiple users can run multiple queries at the same time and still get their data within seconds. We have yet needed to expand beyond our initial infrastructure or throw any additional hardware at our existing process. The reporting in our organization has really changed from people filling out forms and requesting reports and having software engineers make those reports to people getting that information themselves. Calpont and its live on-demand analytics really drives that because we can get this information without having to run long jobs or queries or stored procedures. That information is now instantly available and the users know how to access it.
As we look to the future within our technology stack and the growth of our online communities, we're looking for new ways to introduce column-oriented databases into our architecture. This will allow us to provide faster access to our data as well as faster access to our websites.